Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel How to Crypto. In this guide video, we're going to look at how you can reset the password of your Coinsmart account. If you don't remember the password to your account, then you can follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this video to recover your password and your account. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you need to do is open the website, which is coinsmart.com. After you open the website, you can see an option to log into your account. Click on the login option. After you land on the login page, you can see an option for forgot password. Click on it. And then you need to enter the email address that you used while creating your account for Coinsmart. After you enter the email address, you can click on send password reset link. Now a reset link has been sent to your email address. You need to head over to your email address, and from there you'll be able to create a new password. As you can see, a reset link has been sent to my email address. Now from here, click on reset password. Now you can enter in a new password. You'll need to reset the password within 30 minutes of the link sent. Otherwise, the link will expire. After you're done, you can click on reset password. And just like that, your password has been reset. Now from here, you'll be able to enter in your email address and password to log in. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and also hit subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notification so you don't miss videos such like this. That will be it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.